Everything just in case.
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Fitz1TV here, aka GLauren33, and I'm back today with an unboxing video for you guys. Today on the channel, we are unboxing the Black Ice Snowball mic. It's the plug-and-play USB microphone. If you guys don't know what this is a microphone. As I said, it's one of the best microphones, especially for anybody that needs a really good microphone, but not for an expensive price. You can get these for about 50 bucks, mostly on Amazon. You can find these for about 50 bucks. The regular one, if you want the Ice, which is a more high quality version of it, you can pay a little bit extra. It's like 70 or 80. I got this on a special deal, so I didn't pay that much, but I'm not going to reveal that for you guys. But anyway, yes, we are unboxing the the Black Snowball Ice. Excuse my language. And as I said, it's a very good mic if you're starting off with a YouTube channel and you need a very good mic. If you're using it for music, recording instruments, talking on Skype, video chatting, all these other things. And it's a really good mic to start. So this is a quick tip for anybody starting a YouTube channel. If you do need a mic, this is something you would really like to start off with, and maybe later you can upgrade to like a Blue Yeti or a more high quality mic. This is a very good mic. I'm not saying you could probably roll with this for a very long time, but there are more high quality mics, but they're more expensive. This is for a very good price. Not gonna have to spend too much money to get a good high quality mic. Also, a quick little tip. I got this along with the mic. You don't have to get these, but if you go on Amazon, you're just looking for kits or like stuff to get with the mic, you can get a nice little pop filter. These pop filters keep from like saliva and other noises from getting into the mic. So when you're recording using any kind of microphone, you're talking really quick, and then the sound waves are very fast. You know, the mic only gets not even seconds, milliseconds to respond to all of the inputs that are coming from your voice and the surroundings in the environment where you're recording. So basically, a lot of spit, a lot of air are touching the mic during those milliseconds. The pop filter basically helps from keeping the saliva reaching the mic. The pop filter is grabbing that excess air, that excess saliva, all that other stuff that's around you, so it doesn't get in your mic, so you get a better result from the microphone you're using, no matter if it's a Snowball or a Yeti or whatever you're using. Also, these are Tascam TH03 headphones, studio headphones. These are really good. They give very good feedback, and you can hear very well with sound quality. So if you're using this to record music or YouTube or gaming or whatever, I would suggest to get these. But we're not unboxing these today. We are unboxing the Blue Snowball. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the unboxing. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just wanted to get some of the stuff out of the box. There's not too much in here, but hold up. If you guys know me, I'm not the best when it comes to unboxings. I usually end up ripping the box. Alright, yeah. So basically, there's two main boxes. There's not too much that you need. So basically, oh, here we go. So basically, you have a little small tripod stand. It's not the biggest in the world, but it's big enough so you could put your mic on your desk, your lap, or wherever you plan on having the mic. Another good thing about this tripod stand is it's portable, so you can use the mic holding it up to your lips. You know, some mics are very big, so you're not able to like use them portably. Say you're interviewing somebody. This is a really good mic that you can use portably if you don't want to have to use one of those small mics that you you pin on your clothes. It's a very good, so it's not only is it a high quality mic, it's a portable high quality mic that you can take places. This is a quick startup guide with instructions stuff, and this is the USB cable. This end, you see, I hope you guys can see that. This end right here, you put that end into the microphone, and this is the USB side. Now, the last item in here, the Snowball itself. It has some weight to it, and it's a little bit bigger than I expected. Right, I wasn't expecting it to be that big, but look at that. That looks nice. I'll try to take out of the packaging real quick so you guys can get a better look. Look at that bad boy right there. So this is the end where you would plug in the mic. This is where you would screw in your stand, and this is the mic itself. The great thing about this is you only have to talk at this end. If the mic is facing you like this, like that, yada yada yada, it's only gonna get your voice. It's not gonna get all the background noise, which is a really good thing about this mic. Yeah, and usually if you get the regular Snowball mic, not the Ice edition, you get the regular edition, it has like 3 different modes that you can use it for. This one that does it, I don't think it has any modes because it's an Ice. It's a more advanced, high quality version of the mic. So one quick thing I want to say before we get out of here is, where is it? If you may be wondering, Fitz, it's a good mic, and it's USB, so it's mostly meant for computers. Is there a way I can use this mic on my iPhone? Yes, there is one way, but it may cost you a little bit of money depending on what you're getting. If you're getting if you have an iPhone with the lightning slot, so iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone 6 Plus, all that good stuff. If you have the lightning on your phone, basically you're gonna need this: a lightning to USB camera adapter. These things can be a little difficult to find because I don't even think Apple stores really sell these anymore. I found one of these at my local Target. They're like 30-40 bucks depending on where you get it. You could probably find some on Amazon easily. Usually what these do is you plug this into your phone, alright, and then you would put the USB port right here at the bottom, and that's where you put your mic, and then your mic will be connected to your phone. The only thing I would say is be careful with these microphones. They take a lot of power because they're more high quality, so make sure to charge your phone before you use it, because since the mics require a lot of power to use and it's an adapter, it's gonna probably take battery off your phone pretty quickly, so be careful in that regard. But that's the way you would use it if you're using one of the more modern day iPhones. If you're using a more older iPhone, like an iPhone 5S or an iPhone 4 or a Samsung that doesn't use lightning but uses micro USB, basically you can use that too. You can probably find a micro USB adapter almost anywhere. Those are more easy to find. These ones are tougher to find because I don't know if Apple still makes these. I feel like these are just ones that were made a couple years ago that are still on retail. These things could be a little bit more harder to find, but you should be able to find them. But that's about it. That's all I think I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the blue Snowball. So in my next couple of videos in the foreseeable future, if you guys see a nice little upgrade in quality, you guys know where it came from. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Enable notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video by clicking the bell right next to my name, Fitz1TV. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Peace.